Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Subaru Ascent garage door opener. First, make sure your Ascent is parked outside the garage for safety. You'll need your original garage door remote and access to the home link buttons, usually found on your rearview mirror. This process is straightforward and will integrate your garage door opener seamlessly with your vehicle. Before programming, it's a good idea to clear any existing codes from your home link system. To do this, simply press and hold the two outer home link buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until the indicator light begins to flash rapidly. This usually takes about 20 seconds, and once it flashes, you can release the buttons. Now, let's sync your remote. Press and release the home link button you wish to program. An orange light will start flashing. Position your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from that home link button. Then, press and hold your remote's open button until the home link indicator light changes to a solid green. Release both buttons once it's green. If your garage door has a rolling code system, there's one more step. Head to your garage door opener motor and locate its Learn or Smart button. Press and release this button. You'll then have about 30 seconds to return to your Subaru. Once back in your vehicle, press and release the home link button you just programmed 3 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time. Your garage door should now activate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.